Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time wand. This powerful item from all the mods 10 allows you to dramatically speed up block processing, making your automated farms and machines much more efficient. We'll cover the essential steps to craft this valuable tool using an easy method, focusing on key materials and a straightforward approach. Get ready to boost your in-game progression. First, you'll need to gather time crystals, the core component. Start by placing a budding amethyst block next to shadow pulse goo. This combination will transform it into a budding time crystal block. Next, transport this block through the overworld, then the nether, and finally the end. This dimensional journey matures the block, allowing you to harvest the precious time crystals it produces. With your time crystals in hand, the next step is to create time fluid, which powers the wand. Begin by crafting a polymorphic catalyst. Then, drop this catalyst into a pool of water to produce polymorphic fluids. Finally, introduce one of your harvested time crystals into these polymorphic fluids. This reaction will yield the essential time fluid, ready for your wand. Now for the final assembly. Craft the time wand itself, typically requiring 27 time shards and some bee eggs. Once crafted, fill your new wand with time fluid by simply right-clicking it on a fluid tank containing the fluid. For long-term automation, consider breeding a time bee. A single time bee can provide an infinite supply of time shards and fluid, making your tick acceleration efforts effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.